There is no reason why we could not have waited at least up to March 2 or March 1 or at most Monday for that. So I'm going to raise that in the prosecution panel. Ano naman wala pa namang offer of evidence yung prosecution. So anytime that siguro, I don't know. We have not formally rested pa naman.
Kanina we were having a sidebar caucus, and that was the decision. Ano, we cannot indefinitely wait for that because we cannot rest our case. The reason why they allowed us to reserve only with respect to the dollar deposit is because there's a TRO. But other than that, they would not have allowed us to rest our case because there's a pending witness. That's the point of the presiding judge kanina, na it would be incongruous for us to rest, and at the same time we are still awaiting for the presentation of additional evidence. We cannot do that. But they understood our position with respect to the TRO because that's beyond our control.